My favorite class I've taken is the Cardinal Business Edge program as a whole, because it's all about learning your leadership skills and how to succeed in a real work environment. And so you get to communicate with people and build a network of local leaders and people all over the country. Cardinal Business Edge is a 3-semester leadership class where you learn what your greatest strengths are in leadership. Clifton Strengths has 34 different strength categories that you can be in. My top 3 strengths are achiever, focus, and analytical. I wanted to join Cardinal Business Edge when I came to Saginaw, and I thought it would give me a few steps ahead, because I would have the leadership training, communication, and networking with different business students as well as different business leaders around the community. We get to interview a leader in a local business, and I actually got to interview a vice president at Dow Chemical, and we learned about the values to keep while we're in the business field, as well as what leadership takeaways we could use.
Have a conversation I would do. Spent a couple of years in a little town called Fort Dodge, Iowa.
I would definitely recommend Cardinal Business Edge to whoever is looking to join a business program here. You get that core group of students that you know and can recognize and work with. You have that network that will help you later when you get into the real working environment.